We Australians, we love to renovate and we love to build new homes. Now, if you are in the position where you have clients who are renovating and building new homes, I encourage you to pass on a word of caution. Ask them not to get so excited that when they go shopping that they apply for in-store finance wherever they go. One of the things that we often have to have after the fact are conversations about in-store finance affecting credit reports, because people get uber excited. They go to the good guys, they apply for in-store finance, they go to JB Hi-Fi, they do the same, they go to Harvey Norman and they walk away with an in-store finance application that they submit. Even if they don't proceed with those applications, all three of those inquiries will end up on their credit report, which will affect their score by over 100 points. Buy now, pay later facilities are even higher. So I encourage you to share with your clients the impact of shopping and submitting applications for in-store finance will have. For more information, have a look at the Credit Fix Solutions website. We are here to help you.